How much return? 8,600. The unsold stock is 1,20,000 and the stock destroyed extended to 3,000. What is 8,600? Sales return. 10,300 is purchase return. Whatever the RBD given in the adjustment is called new RBD. Whatever the RBD in the trial balance is called old RBD. Closing stock, unsold stock is 1,20,000. Stock destroyed, full value is 3,000. Hello everybody, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand first year BBA, Financial Accounting 1, and the chapter name is Final Accounts of a Sole Trading Concern. What do you mean by final accounts of a sole trading concern? So it means individual business. We already, in the last session, we already solved one problem. Now we are going to solve another problem on final account. So what is final account? An account is prepared at the end of the year is called final account. After this account, no more accounts to be prepared by a sole trader, an individual person. He has to prepare a trading account, profit and loss account, and a balance sheet. What is trading account? Which is directly connected, purchase and sale. The result is gross profit. What is profit and loss account? Indirect expenses and indirect income will be taken into consideration. The net result is net profit or net loss. It is transferred to balance sheet. If the profit comes for a capital, it will be added. If the loss comes from the capital, it will be deducted. Where you are going to prepare a balance sheet. Balance sheet is not an account. It is a statement of assets and liability. They will give the trial balance and some adjustment. Then we are going to solve the problem. Trading account, profit and loss account, and a balance sheet. We'll go to problem now. From the following particular, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31/3/2008 and a balance sheet as on the date. So they have given the capital. This is a trial balance. I think we have already solved in the previous session regarding the trial balance. What is trial balance? Trial balance is an arithmetical accuracy of books of account. How the trial balance is prepared? First we prepare journal entry to ledger, ledger to trial balance. Here, whatever the difference of the ledger balances come, we'll transfer to an account called trial balance. It has got two sides. One is debit side, one is the credit side. What does the debit side says? What does the credit side says? Debit side shows assets and expenses. What is debit side? Assets and expenses. Credit side, income and liability. Debit side, assets and expenses. Credit side, income and liability. See that capital is a liability item. That's why it appears on the credit side. Debtor, purchase and sale. Purchase, goods is coming in, goods is a real account, debit what comes in, goods is going out, that is a credit side. Then freight is an expenditure, that will be debit side. When you say carriage, it is called carriage inward, it's an expenditure, debit side. It will come in the trading account, this will come in the trading, this is trading account, this is trading account, this is trading account. Capital will go to liability side of the balance sheet. Then sundry expense is an expenditure that will come in profit and loss account, indirect expenditure. Debtor is an asset, creditor is a liability. Bad debt means irrecoverable money, it's a loss. It is a loss. Salary is an expenditure, it will come profit and loss account. Bad debts also comes in profit and loss account. Then discount allowed is an expenditure, it will come profit and loss account, debit side. When you say rent on the debit side, it's a rent paid. That will come P&L account, debit side. Discount received is a income, this will come P&L account, credit side. Then when you say reserve for bad debt here now, this is called old RBD. Old RBD. I will explain. What is old RBD? Then postage and stationery is an expenditure, profit and loss account. Insurance, profit and loss account. Wages, trading account. Returns, debit side, sales return. Credit side, purchase return. Here, returns are there. What is 8,600? Sales return. 10,300 is purchase return. Purchase will come on the debit side, sales will come on the credit side. That returns will opposite. This is sales return, this is purchases return. Then bills payable is a liability that will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Outstanding rent. If the outstanding rent directly comes here directly it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. If it is an adjustment, that should be added to rent, then only it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Where it is now, it is in the trial balance. Directly it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Cash at bank is an asset. Interest accrued on investment. Accrued means to be received. To be received is an asset. Directly it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Interest accrued on investment. It is not only an interest. Accrued means to be receivable. Directly it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then opening stock will come in trading account. Investment is an asset. Patents is an asset. Patent means copyrights is an asset. The items that comes under trial balance should come only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. Where it will come? Either in the trading account or profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. Whatever the items comes in the adjustment should come twice. One in the trading account or one in the profit loss account, then in the balance sheet. Sometimes 3 times it may come. So minimum 2 times. All adjustments should appear 2 times or 3 times. Whatever the item that comes from the trial balance should appear only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. The items in the trial balance should appear only once in trading account, profit and loss account or a balance sheet, whereas the items in the adjustment should appear twice. I'm going to explain the adjustment now. Here closing stock is there. Where it will come? Trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Where it will come? Trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Wages outstanding. Add to wages, to be paid, add to wages, then liability side of the balance sheet. Still payable. How much is still payable? 2,000. Salary prepaid. Paid more, paid in advance. Deduct from salary in the profit and loss account. Then liability side of this asset side of the balance sheet. Wages outstanding, add to wages, liability side of the balance sheet. Prepaid, deduct from salary, asset side of the balance sheet. RBD. This is called new RBD. I will explain the formula. This is called new RBD. I am going to explain now. Depreciation on building. On the building, how much depreciation? 15%. So the building has been come down to the extent of 15%. It should be shown profit and loss account debit side. While you're doing the balance sheet, out of the building, depreciation should be deducted. Then goods destroyed rupees 3,000. Insurance company admitted the claim. How much money? 2,000. How much we could not receive? 1,000. 3,000 will come trading account credit side. 3,000 trading account credit side. 3,000. How much you are going to receive? 2,000 asset side of the balance sheet. Asset side of the balance sheet. What's the difference? 1,000 loss on profit and loss account debit side. Where it will come? 3,000 trading account credit side, 2,000 asset side of the balance sheet. The difference is a loss. 1,000 P&L account debit side as loss on stock destroyed. As loss on stock destroyed. Then regarding the bad debt, this is a formula. Bad debt. We'll explain the formula. Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. What's the formula? B plus N minus O, we say. Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. We see in the trial balance, what's your RBD is? What's your bad debt here? Your bad debt is 2,200. Your bad debt is 2,200 is there. Plus new RBD 5% on debtor says, what's the value of the debtor? See that? If we see the debtor value, we can understand. If you see what's the debtor value, 1,20,000 is there. 5% of 1,20,000 is 6,000. 6,000. It becomes 8,200. B plus N minus old RBD. Whatever the RBD here, old RBD, how much is there? 3,500. Deduct 007. 4,700 will appear P&L account debit side, mean profit and loss account debit side. What's your formula? Bad debt plus new RBD. Whatever the RBD given in the adjustment is called new RBD. Whatever the RBD in the trial balance is called old RBD. Old RBD, trial balance, new RBD in the adjustment. What is the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. How much you are going to appear? 4,700. Well, you are doing in the balance sheet. Your debtor figure is 1,20,000. How much is it? May come. RBD means reserve for bad and doubtful debts. May come, may not come, to the extent of how much? 6,000. Out of 1,20,000, how much you are going to deduct? 6,000 in the balance sheet. Now, we are going to solve the problem now. Your opening stock is 80,000 as per the problem. Then you purchase how much? 2 lakh. Returns I showed no. Trial balance I show no. Here see that. Here returns 10,300 is there. Where the 10,300 will come? It should be deducted from purchases. The value comes, actual purchase become 1,89,700. The freight charges directly connected. Carriage inward means directly connected. Wages, how much already paid? 8,000. In the adjustment, how much is there? 200. How much still payable? 2,000. It becomes 10,000. Then regarding your sale is 3,50,000. Out of that, how much we return to a seller? 8,600. The real sale become 3,41,400. Closing stock, unsold stock is 1,20,000. Stock destroyed, full value is 3,000. This is from adjustment. What's your sale? 3,50,000. Return 8,600. So real sale become 3,41,400. Closing stock, unsold stock is 1,20,000. Stock destroyed to the extent of 3,000. If you add the credit side, totally it will come 4,64,400. If you get 80,000, 1,89,000, 10,000, 8,000, it will come 1,66,700. That is the gross profit which has been transferred to profit and loss account. How much you earned? 1,66,700. That will be transferred to profit and loss account. Then we'll move on to P&L account. All indirect expense will be taken here. All expenditure will come on the debit side. Income will come on the credit side. Salary, how much paid? 19,000. From adjustment, how much you prepaid? 5,000. Your actual salary is 14,000. Your sundry expenses in 1,000. We have allowed the discount here. 3,000. Rent paid 3,000. And there was an outstanding rent, no? Directly comes under liabilities of the balance sheet. Postage and stationery. Then your insurance is 2,800. Your bad debt is 2,200. New RBD 1,20,000 to 500 is 6,000. Become 8,200. Old RBD from the trial balance 3,500. Actually become 4,700. You got a gross profit of 1,66,700, which has been taken down. Here, opening stock here. Your gross profit is there. Here, 1,66,700. Then, your gross profit is 1,66,700. Discount received is 1,200 is there. Then, loss on stock destroyed is, total stock is 3,000. How much you are going to receive? 2,000 rupees. The difference is 1,000. That will come P&L account debit side. Depreciation on building. What's the value? 1 lakh. Into 15 by 100, it works out 15,000. Then the credit side of the total will come. If you see that, if you add this now, the total will come 1,67,900. If we deduct the debit side, the difference will come 1,21,000. That is the net profit which has been transferred to your balance sheet. For a capital, this should be added. If you want, I can explain this. All are called indirect expenses. I think you understand this. Bad debt as per trial balance is 2,200. New RBD from adjustment is 5% on debtor, 6,000. Total it will come 8,200 minus old RBD is 3,500. The next figure is 4,700. Loss on stock destroyed, no? 3,000. How much you are going to receive? 2,000. How much you could not receive? 1,000. That's the loss on stock destroyed. Your GP brought down is 1,66,700. How much discount received? 1,000. Allowed will come on the debit side. Receipt will come on the credit side. We'll move on. Here, depreciation on building means value has been come down. Depreciation means the value has been come down by how much percentage? 15%. It works out how much? 15,000. The net profit is 1,21,000. So, while you're preparing the balance sheet, net profit should be added to capital. Here, cash at bank is an asset. Investment is an asset. I already explained interest accrued means to be receivable. The interest is to be receivable is an asset. Then patents is a copyright is an asset. Building you got 1 lakh rupees. How much has come down? 15,000. Today the market value is 85,000. Then unsold stock is 1,20,000. Then your debtor from the customer, you have to receive how much money? 1,20,000. How much doubtful is there? New RBD may come, may not come 6,000. What's the balance to receive? 1,14,000. Due from insurance company is 2,000. This is from adjustment. We are going to receive how much money? 2,000. What's the total stock destroyed? 3,000. How much you are going to receive? 2,000. Then the balance 1,000 will come profited. Loss account. Prepaid, so we have paid prepaid salary. More amount we have been paid. If you come here liability side, your creditor is 1,27,000. Your bills payable is 20,000. Outstanding rent as per the trial balance is 4,000. Add outstanding wages now. That wages in the adjustment is how much still payable? 2,000. How much totally payable is 6,000. Capital as per the trial balance, your capital is 84,000. Today we got how much money? 1,21,000. It becomes 2,05,000. See the board? 84,000 becomes 2,05,000. 2,05,000 minus 84,000 is equal to 1,21,000 has been increased. Here, 84 becomes 2,05,000 means to this year you got how much money? 1,21,000 profit. Your capital has been increased, which shows the stability of the firm. Your firm has been goes on increasing. Last year the capital was 84,000. This year it becomes 2,05,000. How much more? 1,21,000 means so there is an improvement in the business. Sole trader is concerned. So we say the balance sheet, which shows the financial position of the company, how much asset we are having, how much liability you have to pay. Here, your capital, the sole trader, what's called capital has been increased from 84 to 2,05,000, means 1,21,000 they earn the profit. So there is a light of movement. That means there is an increase in the capital. So which shows the stability of the firm. The firm goes on increasing from 84 to that is 2,05,000. How much earned during the year? 1,21,000. So in exam, they will give the trial balance, they will give the adjustment. I already explained, trial balance item should appear only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet, whereas adjustment item should appear twice or 3 times. Regarding the stock destroyed, this problem is concerned. Stock destroyed is 3,000. How much insurance company is going to pay? 2,000. How much is irrecoverable? 1,000. 3,000 will come in the trading account. 2,000 will come on the assets of the balance sheet. That 1,000 will come profit and loss account as loss on stock destroyed. I'll show you. See that? Once again, your opening stock is 80,000. We made the purchase of 2 lakh. How much return? 10,300. Freight is directly connected. Carriage inward is directly connected. Wages is directly connected. There was an outstanding trade. All direct expenditure has been taken into consideration. We made the sale. Trading account always purchase and sale, and direct expenditure will be connected. How much return? 8,600. The unsold stock is 1,20,000, and the stock destroyed extended to 3,000. Then all indirect expenditure, salary minus prepaid means paid more. Real expenditure for this year is only 14,000. How much paid more? 5,000. Then sundry expense expenditure, discount allowed is an expenditure, rent is an expenditure, postage and station is an expenditure. Bad debt how much? 2,200 plus new RBD minus older. What's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Then it will come 4,700. Out of 3,000, how much recovered? 2,000 to be received from insurance company. What's the difference? 1,000. That's a loss on stock destroyed. Gross profit has been brought down from the trading account. Then whatever the discount received, we are showing on the credit side. Then depreciation on building, the value of the building has been come down to extent of 15%. It works out 15,000. The net profit arrived is 1,21,000. 1,21,000, which has been transferred to your balance sheet capital. Your capital should be increased by how much money? 1,21,000. Then regarding the balance sheet, what's a balance sheet? It is a statement of assets and liability. It is not an account. It is a statement of assets and liability. It shows the financial position of a sole trader. How much asset he is having, how much liability has to pay, what is his capital. So cash in the bank account, he has got a bank balance of 7,000. He invested how much money? 20,000. How much interest to be received for investment? 3,000. Patents is copyright. It's nothing but an asset. Then building he's having 1 lakh. It has been come down by how much money? 15,000. Today the market value is 85,000. Unsold stock is how much? 1,20,000. Debt RBD from customer, we have to receive how much money? 1,20,000. RBD means it may come, it may not come to the extent of how much? 6,000. What's the balance to receive? 1,14,000. Due from insurance company. Out of 3,000, how much money you are going to receive? 2,000. Prepaid, always an asset. In the next year, we pay less, no? We have to pay 40,000. You already paid how much money? 35,000. Next year, you are going to pay only 35,000. Here, creditor is a liability, seller, bills payable, you have to pay. Outstanding rent as per the trial balance is 4,000. As per the adjustment, how much is there? 2,000 is payable. We have to pay. The capital has been brought down from the last year. How much is there? 84,000. This year, how much you got a profit? 1,21,000. It becomes 2,05,000. If we make the total, this should be equal 3,58,000, 3,58,000. So this way, you have to solve the problem. Slowly go in the examination. This is important. Definitely will come the final account. Very easy problem they are going to ask. But you must be careful. You go through those what's called question paper 2 or 3 times. Then understand where the items will come, where the adjustment will come. First, make the in pencil mark some adjustments. Then while you're going the problem, you can understand some adjustment is there. You'll stop there, make the adjustment and move. So what you do now, when the question paper comes, you go through the trial balance, then adjustment. You make a mark for all the adjustment. When the problems come, wherever adjustment comes, this should be added or deducted, depends upon the problem is considered. So better go slowly, go to read the question paper 2 or 3 times. Once you understand, then you start the writing, because this is easy. It's only a practice. Accountancy is only a practice. If you make more practice, you are result oriented. Definitely you'll get the result. More hard work gives the result. More and more for accountancy is considered. In whatever the doubt you have got, we are going to clear your doubts. Any doubt is there that is going to be clear in future in the question answer section. You make a mark of all the doubts now. We are going to clear. Regarding the final account is definite now. Already explained regarding the question paper pattern. Section A, you'll get 15 marks, 15 marks, 2 question 30. Section B, 10 marks question, you have to answer 3 out of 5. 10 into 3, 30 marks, plus 30, 60. Section C, you have to answer any 4 out of 6, 5 4s are 20. Only theory question that I am going to explain. What are the theory? They are going to easy to get the marks. Your 80 marks, for 80 marks is the paper will be set. You have to score 30% of 80 marks is 24. Remaining internal assessment. In our college, we are going to conduct 3 internal, first internal, second internal, third internal. We'll take the average 24 plus 16. 40 is the minimum to pass. Paper minimum is 24. Remaining you have to score from the internal assessment. You take interest in internal assessment. Don't neglect it. You take the interest. That's why we are going to conduct 3 internal assessment. You take the average of that. I think you understand. 24 is the paper minimum plus 16 is 40. I think you understand this problem. In the next session, we are going to solve another problem from the question paper. Whatever I'm going to explain slowly. I will explain once again. Whatever the trial balance given, that item should come only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. Whatever the items come from the adjustment should appear twice, sometimes 3. Regarding the stock discharge, 3 times have come now. The full value, trading account credit side, whatever the amount you are going to receive, asset set of the balance sheet, the difference will come. Profit and loss account debit side as loss on stock discharge. I think you understand this problem now slowly. I think if you have got any doubt, we can have the answer in the question answer section. Till then, goodbye. In the next session, we'll have one more problem of the final account with good adjustment. Till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.